Okay, good morning. Welcome to
Math practice number 72.
Math Practice number 72. Today's an old math contest problem. Just trying to work through some of these. This is kind of a fun little arithmetic problem, actually. Tinky has $1.35 with only quarters and dimes. Okay?
Yep.
How many different ways can she do this?
Ooh.
Interesting. Okay, well, what do you think you want to do on a problem like this?
Well, we could make a chart.
All right, let's make a chart. Okay, what's going to be in your chart?
There's going to be number of nickels and number of dimes.
Number of what?
Number of nickels and number of dimes. Tinky has $1.35.
Yeah.
Only quarters and dimes.
So it's going to be in the chart?
Quarters.
Quarters.
Number of quarters.
Yeah, so we'll say, I'll put it up here. Number of quarters and dimes. Okay. So where would you like to start?
We could start at, well, I know 4 quarters equals $1.
Yeah, that's true. 4 is not a great place to start the chart, though.
Well, we could start at 1 quarter.
At 1 would be an okay place to start, but probably on one like this, you're best starting at 0, just to see. If she has 0 quarters, can she make $1.35 just with dimes?
No.
Why not?
Well, because you only count by tens when you're using dimes.
Okay, so what could you make with dimes that's near there if you had no quarters?
130.
You could make 130 or make 140, but you couldn't make 135, so we'll put an X here. What would be next?
1.
1, okay. She has 1 quarter.
1 quarter would equal 25 cents.
So how much would her dimes have to be worth?
Well, that is it $1.10?
$1.10, that's right.
And
How many dimes is that going to take?
well, it's gonna take 11.
11, alright, so we found a way to do it. Okay, now what if she had 2 quarters?
That would equal 50 cents.
Okay.
But you still can't do that because you're gonna still count by tens.
You got to count by tens. And if you start counting by tens from 50, you're always going to end in a 0. So, should I put a double X through that one? Okay. What if she has 3 quarters? How much money is that?
75.
75 cents, okay.
And her dimes would have to equal.
You want to count them? If she had 1 dime, she would have
You would have, 85,
85.
95, 105, 115, 125, 135. So she needs 6.
6, okay, so that works. Awesome. What if she had 4 quarters?
That would equal $1.
Okay, can she do it with dimes?
Nope, you're still counting by tens on this.
X, X, X. Okay, what about 5 quarters? How much money is that?
That's $125, so you only need 1 dime.
1 dime. 125 cents, you mean, for 5 quarters. Yep. Okay, what about 6?
Well, 6 is too much.
6 is too much, so we can do what now?
Now we can just cross it out.
Cross it out. Everything above 6 we can just cross out. Okay. So, how many different ways are there for Tinky to do this?
There is 2 ways.
What are they?
There's 1 and 11 and 3 and 6 and you want check marks and there's 5 and 1 too.
5 and 1. Okay. So she can have 1 quarter with 11 dimes, 3 quarters with 6 dimes, 5 quarters with 1 dime. So how many ways are there for her to do it?
3!
3! Yes! Okay. That's pretty cool, right? So we just make a chart with the number of quarters, not nickels, number of quarters, number of dimes, A good place to start is at 0 because it doesn't say she has to have quarters, so you may as well just check. If it doesn't work, you know, we just check and there we go. There's a number of different ways to do it. Good problem?
Mm-hmm.
Good job. You erase the board for me?
Okay.
Thanks.